There's a really good feature along one of the older trails at Goat Farm called Legacy, and you come down the hill to my right up this way, and then you get to this new bridge that's been built here. It looks like come down, give a little bit of air, clear the top of the bridge, and then come down the other side. I don't want to walk along it in case somebody comes down. And there's another trail that goes under it. I'm not sure what that one's called. This bridge is pretty nice, pretty good. So you come down, come over the bridge, grab a bit of air, and then head off down the hill that way, and you come out near the creek at the bottom. And I'm wondering what this other trail is. Comes down the hill this way, comes down the hill under the bridge, and then up and down that way somewhere. So the trail that goes under the bridge is this one here, which is called Scapegoat. It starts up near the very top of the hill, goes under the bridge, and then back down towards the creek here. Okay, see you later on.